Hello families, this is our simple guide to infant potty training, otherwise known as elimination communication training. You can actually start training your child as a newborn straight out of the womb. We wanted to give a little bit more time, so we started at 1 month old, and this video is at about 1.5 months old. You would want to take your child to the toilet at 4 different times for baby cues, natural timing, generic timing, and intuition. Baby cues like grunting, natural timing like after sleeping or feeding, generic timing like before going on a trip, and intuition when you just know it's time. We think that it's actually a lot easier than you might think. It's easier than cleaning up a blowout, destaining your clothes, or finding that blankets are soaked in urine. What are some of the benefits? That's what we were wondering before we started, and my main list is baby's health and comfort, bonding, cognitive development, decreased time spent with diapers, future stress, and the fact that baby is small and easy to maneuver. And most things you do with baby are really having a positive association at this age. That's a huge benefit as well. There are 3 main challenges that we found. You have to be available, aware, and disciplined, and sometimes that's a challenge, so we really encourage you to stay patient and positive with yourself and the main caregivers for the babies so that you don't get discouraged. We do want to encourage you that anyone can do this, and it is such a blessing and such a precious time of bonding and enjoying this special season with an infant, since they do poop and pee even more than they eat, and so you have plenty of opportunity to spend time together if you are focusing on this infant potty training or elimination communication. You're about to see the grand finale for this little lady. I have changed her diaper. I have her up on the potty, squatty potty on my chest, as you can see there, and she is about to get some really needed relief. You see her kind of getting her face ready, and then all of a sudden she is able to pass the stool. I count with her, and after she passes the stool, I count some more, because usually if they pass 1 bowel movement, then they'll pass a second with some significant gas. So I like to count a second time. And then after that second bowel movement, I do count a little bit more, because usually she finishes off with a pee. Lastly, once you have gotten that bowel movement all taken care of, I usually like to lift her up and use a cloth wipe to wipe her so that we don't get drips all over the sink, and then we put that diaper back on. Hopefully, since you've seen this process now and heard a little bit more about when you can start, when to put baby on the toilet, whether or not it's easy or hard, some of the benefits and challenges, that you and your family may be encouraged to try this, whether your baby is still in the womb and you're going to try early on, or if your child is even a little bit older and you just want to give it a try, 6 months old, 12 months old, wherever you're at. We hope this video encourages you that it is possible, and it's not only possible, but it can be very pleasant. Doesn't have to be a stressful thing, and it can just be a really exciting time of growing with your child and seeing how they grow alongside you. And you can see here, one of my favorite things about elimination communication or infant potty training is you see that beautiful urine. That tells me she's getting plenty of milk and those kidneys are flowing wonderfully. She's got that wonderful poop showing me that her intestines are healthy, and I just love being able to see her internal health through examining her stool and her urine as well. We hope this encourages you and look forward to you trying it out with yours.
Congratulations.